हे भगवान, मेरा बिजनेस बड़ा बना दो। आई वॉन्ट टू बी अ मल्टी मिलियनर। इज इट पॉसिबल? यस, बट वी हैव टू वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली। काम करना पड़ेगा। नो मैजिक बिहाइंड इट। इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट, गेट सम मेंटर, बट देन इट इज पॉसिबल। My dear friends, I welcome you all to my channel. This is Amit Sharma, an entrepreneur, coach, trainer, and speaker. You might have seen multimillionaires, how they make money from new ideas in this new era will just blow your mind. In India, you are into an ocean of opportunities. पूरी दुनिया की नज़र इंडिया पर है। 130 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन, इतनी बड़ी मार्केट, चाइना के बाद इंडिया का ही नंबर है। लॉट ऑफ रिफॉर्म्स फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट। इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग टाइम। यू कैन डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। कोरोना तो आता जाता रहता है, लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो हमारी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की फितरत है। टुडे आई वुड शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस विथ यू। आई हैव मेट एंड वर्कड with many successful businessmen or entrepreneurs. I would discuss few qualities, skills with you. Don't run after money. Run after your passion. Build a business around your passion to provide service that would help people and make difference in their life. Problem solution के around जो business बनता है वो बहुत successful रहता है। Money will automatically follow you. Give service. Money will follow you. You need an idea to make money. Down with my experience, I am saying that a good business owner concentrates 80% on the marketing and 20% time in running the business. Today, I am sharing 7 points that most successful business owners have. Not only in business, you can apply these qualities in your job also. First one is ability to plan. A business owner or an entrepreneur should have that ability to plan. First one is the business plans. Document your company's core business activities, objectives, and how you plan to achieve your goals. Goals. Setting goals is very important. Don't set long-term goals. Set some short-term goals. Like what will be doing after 25 days or 20 days, or set a goal for a week or a month. You will be successful and try to achieve it. You have to make yourself expert in business plans, in making business plans. Like product क्या है, marketing plans क्या है, sales channel, whether it's online or offline, which marketing channel to apply for, what is your fixed cost, what is your variable cost, key resources, key partners. So there are many things you have to take care of. You have to learn everything if you don't know. Also you should know, or if you don't know, you have to research in this area, that who are your competitors, who are at the top, who are the failures, and what is your target area. That is also very important. How to generate leads is also very important part. In 2021, if you are not using social media, you are missing something. You can generate leads over Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and you can go for branding on YouTube. And moreover, how you convert these leads to monetize your business is of most important. But only use the social media for your business development. Don't pass time. TikTok पे 2 घंटे निकल गए, पता भी नहीं चला. How you manage your cash flows and profit is also important to list your development. Decide your selling price and try to manage gross and net profits. How you overcome expenses, taxes, and generate revenues. Otherwise, it's like you are busy but have no business. Like you are not able to monetize the things. Quality and service to the customer is also important for retaining the customers and getting referrals. Customer खुद ही कस्टमर लेके आएगा। The quality of a good customer service is the key differentiator between good, bad, and indifferent companies. You should maintain a good relationship with the customer. Respond to the customer as quickly as possible. Know your customer. Fix your mistakes. See if you have committed any mistakes, then you accept the mistake and fix it. Don't try to argue with the customer. Listen to your customers. Think long term. A customer is for life. वो एक बार आ गया तो फिर वो पूरी लाइफ ही रहना चाहिए। The next is resource skill development or resource skill management. Build people, build teams, hire right candidate with right attitude, and that is very important because if they are not up to the mark, you can train them. Training is also a very important part to make a right team. Monitor them and make them accountable. Set up a management framework in your business. Who is responsible for what task and role clarity? What are the goals for each functions of our business? What are the methods to achieve those goals? What is the mechanism to track progress? How do you create a growth culture? Get out of any work that is not directly responsible for strategic growth and expansion of a business. People fails, but business doesn't. Continue building new customers. Selling is serving people. You don't sell to people, sell for people. Create new strategies for the development and always be in student mode. Learn and apply the things. Self-educate yourself. Invest in business. Invest in assets. I request my dear friends and respected elders to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my powerful videos. And please share this video as much as you can so many others who never know can be benefited. Time management is the next or another parameter for the development of a company. We all have got 24 hours. So how you manage time and do the work in that stimulated period of time is very important. That's why entrepreneurs and business owners, how they utilize time is very important. It's a very last topic, and so we will see time management in some other video which will be only on time management. In addition to this, you should have common sense, commitment, and courage. Your business is not just a business. Your business is a reflection of you. It's you. Train your staff, build the team, you grow with your team. Because alone, you can only take a loan. मेरे सभी मित्रों को दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। स्वस्थ रहें, टेक केयर of yourself and your family. This is Amit Sharma and I am signing off. Catch you later in my next video. Take care and God bless you. Jai Hind. Bye bye.